Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is freelancing for you? Part 4. They say the only way to get rich is by owning a business and being your own boss. But what about freelancing? How do you know if freelancing is right for you? Do you prefer a structured schedule with tasks planned in advance? Or are you comfortable taking on projects as they come? Here's the reality. Freelancing isn't just about doing the work. It's about finding the work. Writing gigs don't just land in your inbox. You have to go out and get them. When I started, I relied on my connections, slowly building confidence to pitch for assignments online. It took years before referrals and inquiries came through my website. Freelancing is a journey. The question is, are you ready to take the first step? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.